Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find out if someone left or was removed from a WhatsApp group. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for the WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, and you simply need to open group. Click on group participants here, scroll down until you can see an option of view past participants. Click on that option and here you can see that person is removed and you can see the time when it was removed. So this is the process by which you can see past participant or persons or people who was removed from WhatsApp group or people that left WhatsApp group. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.